You will love the features of this 2018 Lincoln MKZ. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Wouldn't it be nice to take your calm place with you on every journey? You can with this MKZ. It's the refined luxury sedan that blends quiet power, the latest technology, impeccable taste, and expressive style to create an oasis of pure comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, satellite radio, backup camera, multi-zone AC, Wi-Fi hotspot. Quiet power blends with premium comfort in this expressive MKZ. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.